8th problem. Sin 2 theta plus sin 5 theta minus sin theta whole thing divided by cos 2 phi 2 cos 2 is equal to tan 2 theta. Here again 3 things are given. We have to make C and D looking at the answer. Then start the problem. As it is, you can't take this as C and this as D. Here 2 is there, means what will do? If I go with 2 and 5, it will become 7. 2 plus 5 is 7 divided by 2. We will get in fraction. Then next is minus 5 minus 2 is 3 by 2. No use, na? So what we will do? We will go with this. 5 plus 1 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here 2 also is there. I can take out common. Okay. So what I will do? Sin 2 theta and x plus I put this in the box. Okay. As it is, sin C minus sin D, that is the fourth formula. Both, not both, second one, sorry. First cos will come, then next sin will come. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. Okay. Divided by cos 2. Sorry, I have to write that plus sign. Okay, plus sign is there. Next, cos 2 theta plus. Now both are cos, both cos will come. Phi 2 plus theta by 2. Cos phi minus theta by 2. So what is our sin 2 theta plus 2 cos 6 theta by 2. Sin 4 theta by 2. Cos 6 theta by 2. Okay, into cos 4 theta by 2. This much I got. Next, plus 2 ones are 2 threes are. So cos 3 theta. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Sorry, sin 2 theta. Divided by cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 3 theta into cos 2 ones are 2 twos are. This much I got. Now next, I have to take common. What common I can take? No, I can't take. How to do? Yeah, I can take common. 1 plus here. Sin 2 theta is common here in the numerator. Okay, sin 2 theta is common. 1 plus 2 cos 3 theta. Divided by, in the denominator I make cos 2 theta common. Again 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Here how it has come? Sin 2 theta into 1 is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta into plus 2 cos 3 theta. That is plus 2 cos 3 theta. Same way. This both brackets are same. You can answer. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is what? Tan 2 theta. That is our answer. Okay. Next, 9th problem. 9th ना ग्रेजुएट पेयर्स साइन 1 2 4 5 1 2 4 5 whole thing divided by cos is equal to tan 3 alpha. So now what will do? C plus J will make a combination. Sometimes you can have it and you can do it. Otherwise, sometimes you have to search. How to search? You have to take common terms here. Alpha plus 5, 6 alpha divided by 2 is 3 alpha. Answer is there 3. Angle is 3, not that. Here also 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. We will go with that. So I will write first greater one. Sin 5 alpha plus sin alpha. Put it on box. Plus sin 4 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. Whole thing divided by same way here also. Cos 5 alpha plus cos alpha plus cos 4 alpha plus cos 2 alpha. Now this sin C plus here, first sin will come and cos will come. 2 sin 5 plus alpha divided by 2 into cos 5 alpha minus alpha by plus here also first sin then cos 2 sin 4 alpha plus 2 alpha by 2 into cos 4 alpha minus 2 alpha by 2 whole thing divided by cos, both are cos. Okay, cos equals to 2 cos 5 alpha plus alpha by 2 cos 5 alpha minus alpha by 2. Okay, next thing 2 cos 4 plus 2 alpha by 2. Next what happens? I will take out 2 common. Otherwise, okay, we will simplify. If you want, okay. At once I can take common. I am writing this 2. 5 plus 1 alpha and 6 alpha by 2 is what? 3 alpha I write directly. Or if you want me to write, okay, one more step I will write. From the board. 5 alpha plus alpha is 6 alpha by 2 cos 5 minus that is 4 alpha by 2 plus 2 sin 6 alpha by 2 into cos 2 alpha by 2 whole thing divided by 2 cos 6 alpha by 2 2 alpha by 2 plus 2 cos 6 alpha by 2 into cos 2 alpha by 2. Okay? Then, okay, I will have this side and I will do it. You can go through it. Okay. Next step I will write here. 6 alpha by 2 is what? 3 alpha. 2 sin 3 alpha. 2 on that, 2 to that. Cos 2 alpha. Okay? Plus again 2 3 alpha again 2 on the 2 to cancel alpha cos alpha whole thing divided. Next 2 on the 2 3 the again 2 cos 3 alpha again 2 on the 2 2 the plus again 2 on the 2 3 the again 2 2 cancels only cos alpha. Okay, now see here in the numerator 2 sin 3 alpha will take common, both are having 2 sin 3 alpha is common and left with what cos 2 alpha plus this cos alpha. Same way the denominator I take 2 cos 3 alpha common. I am left with cos 2 alpha plus this bracket will get cancelled 4 but 2 sin 3 alpha divided by cos 3 alpha is nothing but tan 3 alpha, that is what we have given now, tan 3 alpha is equal to I. So that was with 4 things. Fine. Next, now we'll do with the problem with product to these some differences. Product formula we have got here. Okay, 10th problem. Cos 2 theta cos theta minus 4 sin theta minus sin 4 theta sin theta is equal to cos 3 theta cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. And let the problem say cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 4 theta into sin theta is equal to cos 3 theta cos 2 theta. Now how to do this? This is cos A cos B. It will become half cos A plus B A minus B. Okay? LHS. Half this one cos A cos B half cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, next I will this one here minus half sin A sin B. What is sin A sin B? First what we have formula, you have to remember in sequence. How to remember I will tell you. Sin A cos B was the first formula. Sin A cos B is equal to what? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Okay. After sin A cos B, next was what? Interchange. Cos A sin B is equal to half. That's why both sin will come in between minus with 1. Half sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. After that we had third formula cos A cos B. Cos A cos B, that is written here, half cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. Then next comes sin A sin B. Same thing with minus sign will come. And here also minus outside. Yes or no? Sin A sin B. You can check it. Sin A sin B. Sin A sin B is half. Both will be cos. Okay, this is minus. I'll write it here. Okay, I'll write it this way. I'll take that 2 inside. This is minus. So this will be half. Sin A sin B got cos A plus B. Okay, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Next, what I get? Okay, throughout I'll take both half common. Cos 2 plus 1 is 3. Cos 3 theta plus cos theta. Barabar? Then minus into minus plus cos 5 theta. Okay? Then minus into minus again plus. What is cos 3 theta? So how to do this? You are not getting answer. How to get it? You want this much. And I'll check the otherwise still we have to solve it. They are very lengthy problems. Now we get 2 times cos theta then cos 5 and 5 plus 1 6 3. Again we have to still the problem is not over. So now half 2 times cos 3 theta plus I write this one first plus cos theta. Okay, again I will continue. Let's see what is now. Okay, now what I will do, I'll keep the animals. This half I will multiply. 2 cos 3 theta by 2. This 2 cancels. Plus half, I will make this as C and this as D. Again I will apply the formula. You will see what it will do. Okay? So this is cos 3 theta plus half. Okay? Now cos C plus cos D is what? It will be 2 times na cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? Yes. Cos C plus cos D is 2 times cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 2 times cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. We'll see what happens. This cancels. 3 theta plus cos C theta by 2 cos 4 theta by 2. I don't know why this is coming in the here. Okay, we'll see. What I'm getting here, cos 3 theta plus, I'm at the bottom 3 theta, and this is 2 theta. See, that was the answer here, but this is extra coming. Okay, I have to check whether I have gone wrong here. I have to check the formula if I have gone wrong. I think according to me I have not gone wrong, but still I will check it. What it says, cos A cos B, half cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right? Then next sin A sin B. That is minus half cos of A plus B minus cos A minus B. I have done wrong here. See, this is minus, this minus minus plus. Okay, then this should be minus only. This minus minus this plus, and this is minus inside. So we get cancelled. Got it? Minus this will go. So I am left with this. Here also the same way. Okay, now I am going to close this formula. See, this minus sign is multiplying here only. Otherwise, if you have a confusion, okay, the minus into minus and this plus is over. This is minus is outside now, it will become plus. Plus into minus is minus into minus. Okay? See here, this minus in this formula minus into minus plus, it is over. Then minus will come as it is. Okay? So this is that answer. Next one more. Next one more problem. 11. Cos 3a sin 2a. Cos 3a sin 2a minus cos 3a into sin 2a minus cos 4a sin a is equal to cos 2a sin a is equal to cos 2a sin a. Okay, we'll start within 2-3 minutes. Okay, next problem will do. Okay, cos 3a sin 2a minus cos a is equal to cos 2a sin a. Now this is what cos a sin b formula. Cos a sin b means what? Half inside the square bracket both will be sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Why? Because first cos is your second formula. Your product second formula. Okay, I will write it. Half sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Okay, minus again half. Now next is what? Same again cos a sin b. Formula, I am talking about formula, don't get confused. Otherwise you will say, sir, on the board it is written cos 4 and sin a. Why are you saying cos a and sin b? Cos a sin b means I am talking about the formula. So again cos a sin b formula is what? Half same sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Okay, so minus sign is there, minus half sin 4 plus a minus sin of 4a minus a. So what we get? I take half common, 5a minus 3a minus 3a minus 2a. That is sin a. I have taken minus half common, minus into this minus sin 5a, then minus into minus plus what is sin 3a. Sin 3a. See here, this and this will go. So I am left with half bracket sin 3a minus sin a. Sin 3a minus sin a. So now I have to get this answer. This is nothing but sin c minus sin d formula it is. Sin c minus sin d, your second formula. Transformation of sum or differences to product. You want answer in product, right? So sin c minus sin d means first cos will come, then sin will come. So it will be what? Half into 2 times cos c plus d by 2. 3a plus a by 2 into cos c plus d, then sin c minus d, c minus d by 2. So this 2 cancels here. It is what here? Cos 4a by 2. And here it is sin 2a by 2 is equal to 2 1 got 2 to the 2 cancel, sin is equal to r. Got it? So the 11th problem is what? Cos 3a sin 2a minus cos 4a sin a is equal to, answer is cos 2a sin a. So cos 3a sin 2a, our formula is what? Half sin of a plus b, I will say that 3a plus 2a minus sin of a minus b, that is sin of 3a minus 2a. Okay, then in between minus sign is there, minus half cos a sin b, same it is formula. Okay, then I have cancelled by a, then I have got half sin 3a minus sin a. So this is nothing but sin c minus sin d formula. That will be cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That I have written correct. plus d by 2 sin c minus 2. Then I got this, that is the answer. Okay. Next, I'll write the problem. Next is 12th problem. Cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree is equal to 0. The problem is what? Cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree is equal to 0. Again, you have to choose C and D and solve the problem. If I take this C and D, 80 and 40, what happens? C plus D, that is 80 plus 40 is 120 upon 2, will get 60 degree, and 80 minus 20 is, 80 minus 40 is 40, 40 divided by 2 is cos 20. Okay, cos 20 is here, so I will go with this. This is my C, this is my D. Okay, let's just write it again in square bracket. Cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree. Cos C plus cos D. Okay, cos C plus cos D formula is what? Both will come cos. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 minus cos 20 degree cos 120 degree by 2 cos 40 degree by 2 minus cos 20 degree. So 260 are 229. So I get here what? 2 cos 60 degree into cos 20 degree minus cos 20 degree. Okay. Now, in the earlier chapter we have learned what is cos 60 degree. I don't know, I told you that first line you have to remember of sine. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, means cos 60 will be half. To cancel, that is 0 RHS. Okay. Next, 13 one. That is how it comes. Next, cos 55 degree cos 55 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 175 degree is equal to, again answer is 0. Again we have to make selection of C and D. First one is cos 55 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 175 degree. If I add 55 and 65, how much I get? 65, 70. 70 plus 50, that is 120. 120 divided by 2 is what? 60 degree. And if I subtract, I will get 10. There is no use. Either I will go with this. This and this. 75 plus 5 is 180. 180 plus 60 is 240. 240 divided by 2 is 120. And 175 minus 65 is 50. 110. 110 divided by 2 is 55 degree. Okay. I'll go with this board. I'll write again P and LHS. Cos 55 degree plus in box I'll write cos 175 degree plus cos 65 degree. Okay. Now this is my C plus D formula. Cos C plus D 2 times both will be cos only. Cos 55 degree 2 times cos 240 degree divided by 2 into cos 110 degree by 2. So cos 55 degree plus 2 cos 120 degree into cos 55 degree. Okay. So cos 55 degree as it is plus 2 into what is cos 120 degree? It should be minus half. I will show you how it is. I will work out here. Cos 120 degree is equal to what? Cos 90 plus 30. See here, how to find out? Cos 120 degree is cos 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 means you are in second quadrant minus sign. Cos is minus there. Then since angle lies on y-axis 90 degree, cos will change to co-ratio, that is sin, minus sin 30 degree. What is 30 degree? Half minus half. So 2 into minus half into cos 55 degree. 2 cancels, cos 55 degree plus into minus and minus cos 55 degree. It becomes 0. We cancel both. It will become 0. Minus minus. If you can cancel it, you can write it minus minus. Okay. That is how the problems are done. Next number will be sine. Sine 50 degree minus sine 70 degree. Plus sine 10 degree is equal to 0. Now how to do this? As it is, if I take sine C minus sine D, okay, sine C minus sine D, it will be what? 2 cos, both are sine means, sine C minus sine D, that is first will be cos, then next will be sine. Okay, 2 sine C minus sine D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay, we will continue this problem in the next class. The lights are gone here, it is not visible. Fine, we will continue another 1 or 2 problems remaining. After that, next class, heights and distance.